Hello and welcome to this section again, guys. Sunday with Python, and today we will play a random guess game. I want to guess a number and then you have to give me the answer. So it's an interesting game. Let's try to play it. So let me first understand the business problem. In an IQ test, the mentor asks the students to think a random number between 2 and 14, 2 and 12, including 2 and 12, and then he will guess the number. Then student will check whether the guessed number is low, high or right. Simple. So let's create a code which will help me to solve this particular problem. So for creating a random number, I will call a package from random import rand int. It will generate a random integer. Rand is equal to randint 2 to 12. So it will generate a random number between 2 to 12. Includes 2 and 12 as well. While true, I'll start now logic. Guess. So user will guess the number. So it will be an integer. Input. User will guess a number between 2 and 12. After that, if guess is equal to rand, print you guessed right, and then break the statement. Else, if guess is less than rand, then print your guess is too low. After that, elif guess greater than rand, print your guess is too high. Once that is done, I will write y is equal to input. If you want to continue, if you want to continue, type either yes or no. Dot upper. So basically, if user pass a small character, then it will convert it to upper. If y is equal to n, then print rand, so that user will be able to understand that this was the number which I did not able to guess, and then break. So this is the logic. Here the random number will be generated. User will put the guessed number, then the logic will start. If guessed number which was given by the user is equal to this random number, then we are good. Else, if guess is less than random number, then it's too low. Greater than random number, then it's too high. And let's say I want to iterate this loop and I want to do again and again. Whether it is correct or not, I'll ask user whether you want to continue or not. For example, let's execute. Guess a number between 2 to 12. So this rand variable actually created a number and saved in this rand variable. Now let me put 5. Now it's saying that your guess is too low. That means the number is actually greater than 5. Now it's asking me whether you want to continue or not. Let's say I want to continue. I want to guess it again. Now I'll give, okay, let's say number 8. Your guess is too low again. That means my number is still greater than 8. I want to continue again. Let's say 10. Again it is low. So I'll continue again. Let's say maybe 12. It is too high. That means clearly the number is 11. You guessed it right. Let's do it again. This time again I will guess one number. Let's say 8. Your guess is too high. That means the number is less than 8. I want to continue. Yes, I want to continue. Let's make it 4. Your guess is too high again. That means my number is still less than 4. I want to continue again. Let's say 2. Your guess is too low. That means it is 3. But I am tired. I don't want to continue. I'll make it as n and execute. You see that I exited the loop and then it helped me to print the number as well, that the number which was in rand is actually 3. So that is how you can iterate this loop and play around with this game. Hope this makes sense. It's interesting and hope it making a lot of sense and refresh your mind as well. So see you on next Sunday with some more cool problem. Till then, happy analyzing.